Yo, what's going on, guys? Motorbike Motor here. Got a brand new package. As the title says, it's a motorized bike kit. Oh, so good. I got it off eBay. Oh, it's so good. I've cut open the sides. I haven't had a look, so I'll just dig into it. Oh, cardboard on cardboard on cardboard. God, it's everywhere, isn't it? Alright, let's have a look at what we got. Oh my god. Alright, first up we got... Actually, let's take this out to the garage. Here we have a bike. It's a Repco blade, that's it. It's nice and red. And then here's the engine kit. Oh, it's pretty sick. It's a chain guard and all that stuff. Let me pull out the components and show you. Alright guys, so it's a couple hours later. I assembled the bike out of the box, all good. The engine is actually too big. These are the scratches from it being too small, so I have to use the big kit. But the carby won't fit on. But I found a way to make it fit. And I have to cut some things up with my grinder. Anyway, I got the back sprocket on, so that's all good. But yeah, I'll update you guys next. Okay guys, we are back after like 7 hours of building this. This took so many problems. So here it goes. Here it is. Oh, there she is. There she lies. Or stands. So yeah, let's go from top, from left to right. Start from the top. So up here we've got the clutch. So right now it's like in, so you can pedal and the back wheel will spin freely, and then press it in, it pops out, clutches in, and then if you want to start it you pedal up and then drop it, it'll engage and the engine will start. I got the back brake here, and that's all reachable. That's all, you can reach that all, and if you want to pedal, this is in the way, so I'm going to move it down and have the brake, like have this down, so you have to go down here. Got a nice little light. Speedo. The main reason I got this is because I want to be able to see how much I've ridden, so then I know when the engine's broken in. When it's like when you got to ride it for a certain amount of time until it can like use it to its maximum potential. I need to change these around, the lever and the gear changer. The other one over here broke, so it's stuck on the first ring, which isn't that bad. I'm not going to be pedaling that much, so it's all good. I'll cut out there. I'm not going to be pedaling that much, so it doesn't really matter. And yeah, so nothing there, but 6 gears here. Throttle, there's no fuel, so tomorrow. It's pretty snappy. And then, oh, low battery. Kill switch, speedo, fuel tank, engine. I had to grind all of that. I don't know if you can see there. Yeah, it's the tip there. It was very long. Scratched it up a lot. Very hard. But otherwise amazing. Had to take the air filter off, so just got that there, and everything else, the back sprocket, chain idle. Otherwise it's beautiful. And then I've got backlight as well. Oh, it's amazing. I'll get some more shots for you outside tomorrow morning when it's actually light, because you can see it's like pure pitch black out here. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Now going from what I was saying from the last part is the carby. Here's another look at it. If you a better look at it, as I said, I moved the clutch down here, so it's almost vertical, but it's perfect. I can even probably put it down further, but you know, on brake wear it's fine. I've ridden this a lot, as you can see, so I'm very used to it, and it's working perfectly fine. Torch and everything. gone through about 1 tank of fuel. So as I was saying, the carby just fits. It's like leaning on the carby, so yep. I put this foam sheet there because I didn't want anything flicking up from the rear tyre. The rear derailleur, as you can see there, there's nothing there that's moving the chain. So I've permanently stuck it on the middle ring, which works fine. And I usually leave it in middle 6. Everything's working fine. I've checked everything, nothing's fallen off. Giving me no trouble. I love this thing to death. I've ridden heaps to my mate's house. It's pretty sick. Got some oil leaking from the bottom here, even though I've tightened up the bottom. Taped the little clutch cable there. What else have I done? That's the wiring. If you want to have a look what I did, I just zip tied it onto a thing under there. And then I put tape over the plugs, and then I don't know what this white one does, so just left it there. Spark plug. I put a quick release because the bike didn't have one. And that's pretty much all. I haven't added anything extra to it. So yeah. Looks beautiful. Today's Friday. I got this on Wednesday. No. Yeah. It seems like much longer, but I'm hopefully gonna finish the break-in by I don't know when. Hopefully in the next 3 to 4 weeks. I don't know what time it is. 9:35. But I want to have a quick startup for you. Won't run it for too long because I don't want neighbours or anyone in the house to get annoyed. There you go. So as you can see, it starts up pretty well. Because I have in higher gear, it doesn't take long to start it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been a lot of fun making it. I've had a mate come over and ride it. He loved it so much he even bought his own kit. So I would definitely recommend you guys get one of these if they're legal where you are. For me, they are, and it's pretty amazing how fast these go, how well they carry you up hills. The way it carries me up hills is pretty good. I want to get the next upgrade. I'm going to make an offset for the carby, and then I'm going to get a high performance carb with the air filter and all that jazz, and then an expansion chamber, and then I want to get and if that has a lot of power and it carries me up hills very well, then I'll get the 36 tooth with a sprocket, and then from there might get a thread head, but I don't think it'll fit here. I might, but might be a bit of a pain to work around. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let's try and get some popularity on this video. Helps you guys out. Any questions at all, leave them in the description. I tried to make it as detailed as I could, not boring, and I'll see ya in the next video. Peace.